Welcome everybody, welcome back to the channel Adventures. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to see the next adventure. Thank you again for coming and tuning in. Today's adventure we're gonna be going to... Where are we going? It's a surprise. The kids don't know where we're going, but I think they have an idea. We're gonna go to about 4,000 feet elevation, a little bit more than that. It's been raining, so you guys know what that means. I can't say because they don't know yet, so you're gonna have to wait and see. So, but we're gonna show you footage of the scenery on the way there. Alright guys, well, the kids figured out where we're going because we're going up in elevation and it's getting colder. The temperature drops, what is it now? Maybe like 12 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's getting colder, the view's getting nicer. There's more colors and green, I guess. And we know we love green, so we will see you guys there. We'll be there shortly.
Okay, kids. Do you know where we're going?
The snow.
The snow?
How do you know?
Because we have the Kia bag. I know the Kia bag has our snow stuff in there, so we thought we were going to the snow. Because we never been there just until like 2016 or 2017.
Yeah, we haven't been this year, huh?
Yeah.
Because there hasn't really been any. We've had a dry winter.
Yeah.
There's not a whole lot here.
Oh, it melted. Alright guys, change your plans. So we got there and a little disappointed. It's dry, no snow, dry land. So we're gonna go to another place. We're driving there right now. We're about 25 minutes, half an hour away from there. So hopefully they'll have some snow and we can have some fun. So I will see you guys there.
That's good.
Guys, we finally arrived at our destination. We ended up a little farther than we anticipated. Where we were at, Oak Glen, they didn't have any snow. It said the forecast was that they were having snow overnight, but they did not. So we ended up here at Jenks Lake, higher up. I think we're about 7,000 feet above elevation. So let's go play in the snow. It is pretty cold. It's about I think 35 degrees right now, but the sun makes it a little warmer, so it's nice to play. Let's see if this kid could get their energy out.
We're here like at the snow. We're trying to have like a snowball fight. I still don't know how to make a snowball.
Make one and then throw it at mama. Go, throw it at mama.
What, baby girl? Oh, guess what? Oh, yeah?
Is that mama?
Ah!
Like the kids are having fun having snowball fight. We didn't have any those little sled, but there are a lot of people who are playing around with theirs. Looks like they're going pretty fast. They're having fun. Kids are having a snowball fight. They're making snow angel. So far it's a great day. We came down the mountain, so we are currently eating. We're gonna eat pizza. So they've been wanting pizza.
What was my napkin? Hey, we're gonna eat pizza.